So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the best chicken marinade. So what you are going to need is your spring onions, your green bell peppers. So I don't want it to be too green. That was why I added yellow bell pepper to it. Then I added my garlic. If you have fresh garlic, you can use fresh garlic. So after blending it, I'm just going to add it to my protein. So you can just marinate this for about, you can even leave it overnight. So you are just going to season your protein with your chicken seasoning, your salt, and any other seasoning you would like to use for your protein. So if you want this chicken marinade to really come out well, you are just going to soak it for at least, just soak it overnight for it to have that kind of special taste. So I went over with my chicken seasoning. I added my seasoning cubes. I added my salt. So I'm just going to give that a stir. Then I'm going to boil it for at least 10 minutes. So after a few minutes, this is how it's going to look. So you're just going to give that a stir. So you are going to put in some vegetable oil in your pan, then let it heat up a little, then you add in your protein to it. So the reason why you allow it to heat up, because if you don't allow it to heat up, it's going to soak that vegetable oil. And another good thing about it is that if you allow it heat up, once you place your protein in it, is going to give you that kind of golden brown. So after frying it, this was how it was looking.